Diyos sa nagnanais pang makapag-aral kahit na ikaw ay isa ng professional. May mga inaalok na bagong kurso online ang iAcademy. Alamin natin kung ano ito sa report ni Sofia Okut.
Sa mga professional na gusto pang mapalawak ang kanilang kaalaman sa negosyo, may alok na mga bagong kurso online ang iAcademy. May kurso sa finance and business, process improvement, computing at design. Ayon sa iAcademy, malaking bentaha sa career ng mga working professional ang alok nilang short courses sa negosyo.
We have a few short courses that we started offering a few months ago. One of them is Lean Six Sigma, which is a process improvement program. And complementary to Lean Six Sigma, we also have, starting end of November, what we call Project Management Basics. And after Project Management Basics, we also have an agile program called Scrum. And these three process improvement programs are all complementary and interrelated.
Mas madali na rin ang pag-aaral ng mga bagong kursong ito dahil nailunsad na rin ng iAcademy ang kanilang online learning, partikular sa mga kukuha ng e-business specialist course. Sa tulong naman ng Philippine Stocks Exchange, meron na ring alok na Philippine Stocks Exchange Security Specialist course ang iAcademy.
The courses are open enrollment, meaning there are no prerequisites and they are short courses. So it can be anywhere from 8 hours to 136 hours. Our Philippine Stock Exchange Security Specialist course, which we are doing in partnership with the PSE, is 136 hours. It's a certificate program and it is taught by instructors handpicked by PSE.
Target din ng iAcademy na mabuksan na sa susunod na taon ang ilan pang online learning courses, partikular ang ukol sa corporate training at ilan pang international programs. Mag-log on lamang sa official website at Facebook page ng iAcademy para sa karagdagang impormasyon.
iAcademy School of Continuing Education hopes to do all these while servicing Filipinos all over the country through our online learning platforms. We want to make lifelong learning available to everyone.
Sofia Okut, Eagle News.